Welcome. So one of the tools that we're going to be using for this website is a website environment called Codepen.io. Codepen is free, it's fast, it's easy, and it is an actual development website with all kinds of creators from all over the world that post what they've been using and what they've been developing and the cool programs that they've been doing all on this website. And you can have your own dashboard and you can have your own little bits of code and your own things, your own projects that you've been creating and working on. This is one of the tools that I learned on years ago, and I love it, and I think it's really exciting, and it's always showing me different pieces of information that I would have never even dreamed up. That's how exciting this community is, and such talented people on there. So codepen.io, when you make a pen, you see three different windows at the top of your screen, and on the bottom of your screen, you're actually seeing what you're doing, what that code, the guts in the code, what it's actually going to look like on the other side in the browser. So as you're typing, you get to see exactly what your code is going to look like and what the users are going to see. So it's really fast as far as, oh, okay, I type in a paragraph and I see the paragraph right away. And so kids really relate to that. It's very easy to use. I'm embedding the CodePen right underneath the HTML and the CSS and the JavaScript in each little post. So you will be able to do your easy code right on the web page post that I've created. And it should be a really helpful tool for us. Thank you.